Good morning, second graders. Welcome to your Watch and Learn video for lesson 3.2 today. Our objective or our goal is to be able to add tens to our two-digit numbers on an open number line. So we're going to be using number lines and we're adding with tens. So let's get started.
How can you use an open number line to add tens? Find 36 plus 30.
Remember, yesterday we were using our hundreds chart to help us. We'd start at 36 and then we'd be able to add tens. And we could just quickly count down on those. Today we're going to be using a number line, so make sure you pay attention as they show us how to create that number line.
You can add tens on an open number line. An open number line does not include numbers until numbers are placed on it. It is open, so you can write any numbers you want to write on it.
Remember, we can start at any number because a number line with the arrows on either end tells us that we can go backwards and we can go forwards. That is the great part with number lines.
First, place 36 on the number line.
Why are we starting with 36? Remember, when we're adding, it's easier to start with the biggest number on your number line and then count on. Plus, we're going to be adding just our tens to make this part a little easier and then trying ones.
Why should 36 be placed on the left side of the open number line?
Remember, the biggest number goes first.
So you can add 30 to the right of 36. As you move to the right on a number line, the numbers get greater. You need to add the tens in 30. How many tens are you adding to 36?
Select your answer.
So let's take a look at our number. Remember, we're starting at 36 and we're adding 30. So if I count by tens to 30, 10, 20, 30. I'm adding 3 tens to my number.
30 is 3 tens. So count on by 10 3 times. How do you show adding 3 tens on the number line?
Let's try it. It tells us to drag the slider to add tens along the open number line. So remember, we started at 36 and we have to add 3 tens. That's why there's 3 lines on our number line to show those tens as we count. So 36 plus 10 equals 46. 46 plus 10 equals 56. And 56 plus 10 more, because 10, 20, 30 equals 66. Good job.
You put a jump for each 10 and label each jump. You write a tick mark on the line to show each jump. What is the sum?
So we should be able to identify, right? Here's 10 plus 10 plus 10 more to get our 30 total. And the number, of course, that we end on is our sum. So the answer is 66.
When you count up 3 tens from 36, you land on 66. So 36 plus 30 equals 66. Now you know how to use an open number line to add tens.
Good job. So today, make sure you practice that and listen to the guided practice that is taught by another instructor so that you can practice adding your tens on an open number line. Good luck today. Keep up the great work.